Parliament House, Canberra for the Australian Logistics Council's annual Logistics Industry Parliamentary function. We come together tonight to recognise the logistics industry's enormous contribution to Australia. The logistics industry represents 8.6% of gross domestic product, adding more than $130 billion to the Australian economy. It employs more than 1 million Australians across thousands of businesses, and every 1% increase in efficiency will increase GDP by $2 billion. The Australian Logistics Council is the peak body for the major companies in the logistics industry. ALC represents national logistics and supply chain customers, providers, infrastructure owners and suppliers. ALC is recognised as the leader in the national debate on the critical issues affecting the Australian logistics industry. We are working with governments at all levels to improve supply chain efficiency to help meet our rising freight task. We are achieving this through nationally consistent regulation, effective application of technology in the supply chain, improved safety and investment in national logistics projects. Inland rail is one of these key logistics projects. It is critical to Australia's freight future. This rail freight link between Brisbane and Melbourne will be vital to improving supply chain efficiency. The proposed network will utilise much of the existing interstate rail networks throughout Victoria and southern New South Wales, upgrading approximately 400 kilometres of tracks, and will also create approximately 600 kilometres of new networks throughout northern New South Wales and southeast Queensland. When complete, Inland Rail will efficiently move freight on the north-south corridor by reducing train transit times and transport costs, provide a reliable rail transport alternative for agricultural and mining freight, improving the global competitiveness of our key exports, and connect all of our major mainland cities with a world-class rail network that will provide the backbone for moving goods across the country. It will also create thousands of jobs during and after construction, many in rural and regional areas. Inland rail is a huge opportunity for this country and is strongly supported by the Australian Logistics Council. It will transform Australia's supply chain for generations to come, and ALC encourages our federal representatives to put their full support behind it.